Hey, welcome to the Daily Dose. Let's dig into it. Let's talk about marketing assets. What are marketing assets and how do I leverage them? On this time, I'm going to talk about PR. Okay, PR is an important part of what you do for marketing. I call it the dark funnel though, because it's really hard to track. But it's how you use that PR. Let's just say you're featured in Forbes magazine, right? How do I now use that in my marketing to effectively gain customers? Well, it's sharing that across all your platforms everywhere. Email, social media, all over the place. Your blogs, connect it through all that. Because what we're wanting to do is we're wanting to make ourselves the expert. And you are, but you have to display that. That's one way to do it through PR. We'll see you on the next dose. I hope you found this video useful. Follow me right here on YouTube for more great content daily. Download my international best-selling book, Be Good, Be Brief, Be Gone, for absolutely free at growfast.club. I say again, download my book at growfast.club for all of my 7-figure growth hacks. Get your copy now while it's still free.
There it is. Magnum. Holy moly.
Yeah, baby! That's what I've been waiting for!
Dear God.